Welcome to UK Smart Money, your guide to saving more, living better, and growing financially in the United Kingdom. Here you'll learn smart money saving tips, UK cost of living guides, budgeting for students and workers, cheap grocery hacks, side income ideas, UK bills, rent and utilities explained financial advice made simple. Subscribe and start your journey to smart UK living today. Choosing the right niche is the most important step in YouTube automation. And in this video, I will explain the best YouTube automation niches in the UK and exactly which niche you should create your channel in, especially if you are a beginner, because niche selection can make or break your success. First, let's understand why the UK market is so powerful for YouTube automation. The UK has high advertiser demand, strong buying power, and high RPM compared to many other countries, which means even fewer views can generate good income. Now let's talk about the best performing niches one by one. The first and highest paying niche in the UK is finance and money. This includes topics like personal finance, saving money, investing, credit cards, loans, side hustles, and make money online. Finance channels get very high RPM, but competition is also high. So beginners should focus on sub-niches like budgeting tips, UK tax basics, or side income ideas. The second very strong niche is luxury lifestyle. Videos about luxury houses, cars, watches, private jets, and rich lifestyles perform very well in the UK because people love aspirational content. And this niche is perfect for faceless automation using stock footage. The third niche is facts and educational content such as interesting facts, history, geography, psychology, and mind-blowing information. This niche is beginner-friendly, low-risk, and evergreen, making it ideal for long-term automation. The fourth niche is motivation and success stories, including business stories, billionaire journeys, famous personalities, and mindset content. This niche works very well with voiceover and background footage and builds loyal audiences. The fifth niche is business documentaries and case studies, where you explain how companies started, failed, or succeeded. This niche attracts mature UK audiences and pays well over time. The sixth niche is real estate and property-related content, such as UK property market updates, renting tips, HMOs, and property investment basics. This niche has high RPM, but requires research and accuracy. The seventh niche is technology and AI tools, including reviews of apps, websites, AI software, and online tools. This niche is growing fast and works very well for affiliate income. Now, the most important question is which niche you should choose. If you are a beginner, I strongly recommend starting with facts, motivation, or luxury because they are easy to automate, copyright safe, and require less technical knowledge. If you have some knowledge about money or business, then finance or make money online is very powerful. But you must focus on a small sub-niche to avoid heavy competition. One big mistake people make is choosing a niche only because it pays high. But consistency matters more than RPM. You should choose a niche you can make at least 100 videos in, because YouTube automation is a long-term game. Now let's talk about research. Before creating your channel, search your niche on YouTube, analyze top channels, check video length, views, and upload frequency. If you see multiple channels getting views, it means the niche is working. Also, avoid copyrighted niches like movie clips or music, because they can destroy your channel. YouTube automation is not a shortcut to quick money, but if you choose the right niche, stay consistent, upload regularly, and keep improving quality. Within 3 to 6 months, you can start seeing results. And within a year, YouTube automation can become a strong, passive income source in the UK. So choose wisely, stay patient, and treat your channel like a real business. Because the right niche is the foundation of success in YouTube automation.